In this video, we are discussing about human-centered design. Human-centered design is a problem-solving approach that focuses on understanding people first and designing solutions based on their needs, problems, and experiences. Instead of starting with technology or ideas, HCD starts with: who are the users? What problems do they face? How can we make their lives easier? The main goal of human-centered design is to create useful, usable, and meaningful solutions for real people. Why human-centered design important? Solves real user problems. Easy and comfortable to use. Improves user satisfaction. Reduces failure and rework. Design thinking process. So, what do you mean by design thinking? Design thinking is a human-centered and iterative approach to creative problem-solving. It's not about following a straight line, it's about a continuous loop of learning and refining. It prioritizes empathy to deeply understand user needs, redefine problems, and develop innovative solutions. There are 5 stages in design thinking. Empathize. Define. Ideate. Prototype. Test. Empathize. The empathize stage is the first and most critical phase of the design thinking process. Empathy is the process of seeing the world through the eyes of your users. It involves setting aside your own assumptions to gain a deep, personal understanding of the people you are designing for. Instead of guessing what people want, you observe and listen to them to ensure you are solving a real human problem. From empathize stage, we can able to understand users and their problems by conducting interviews and surveys. And this stage mainly focuses on user feelings and experiences. Define. Define is the process of analyzing your research to pinpoint the core problem. Define stage analyze information from the empathize stage to identify core problems and create a clear problem statement which helps to focus on the right issue. Ideate. Ideate is the process of generating a large number of creative ideas to solve the problem. It's about thinking outside the box, using techniques like brainstorming to explore as many different solutions as possible. From this stage, multiple ideas are generated. It encourages creativity. Prototype. Prototype is the stage where you turn your ideas into scaled-down, physical, or digital versions of the product. It is about building a rough draft to see how your solution works in the real world. Instead of spending a lot of time and money on a final product, you create a quick, inexpensive model that allows you to test your ideas and catch mistakes early. Test. Test is the final stage, which involves gathering feedback on your prototypes from actual users. It is not about passing or failing, it is about learning what works, what doesn't, and uncovering new insights to refine your solution. In this stage, feedback is collected from the users after using the prototype to identify the improvement. Benefits of design thinking. Applicable in industries. Reinforcing innovation. Strengthen leadership. Encouraging creativity. Promoting teamwork. Delivering business value. Conclusion. Design thinking is a powerful cycle that shifts the focus from making a product to solving a human problem. It is a bridge between creative empathy and practical execution. It is built on a foundation of empathy to deeply understand user needs and develop innovative solutions.